Mama wakwaba, wafreme ajua searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Sir Kelvin Echo Bedu Taylor Ose Oman Penidada Mahama Emeye President inti by hook or crook no. Esa Oman Penidada by president. And yes I agent Ghana. Inti Kelvin Taylor de ono kwano ni miyansa. Region se wagana he mihu regional Kelvin Taylor indi omwatem. Central region anyem fantefo wedi atem. Voltarians wedi omwatem. Ashanti region wedi omwatem. Ofede say Northness wedi omwatem. Just a region se wagana hanumi na Kelvin Taylor edi omwatem. Adenya chinchina esese yeto aba ema oman penidada mahama neno ena ye mu bi e kire se oman penidada mahama eye president no sebio no mumbu indua enwu yasum sebio ni ye ni emfry ye hu ne course ye hu situation na ye komu ye nka se NPP aban no eye perfect but at least enye unya light etimi di ye adwuma na wonsa kowa no entinka NPP ento aso man pendada mahama pa no obadea ene Ghana fu bebresa no moka Kelvin Taylor nso te US ene o se by force mpo mahama na mbocha ama no ti atemnidia no odi ordinasem akọ Voltarians omoso akodi omatem Voltarians na ngaso mo buafu dada kire so man pendada mahama enyi running mate dem fi Volta region ene o mo abema na reply enti esenesem no esi ekoi
Mahama sit there and let these clowns, let these idiots mess you up.
Yo, Bossu Taylor, it's not about them being timid or anything, right? The fact that this 2024 election, NDC cannot and will not and can never win. That is it. That is the fact. Because they have no message. They just want to hide behind these 24 hours that they can't even explain to us. And then lure themselves to power. And which will not happen because we have seen the good work Nana Adodan Akufo-Addo Williams and His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia are doing, and they have done so far. This is what we are saying. They can't win. That is it. You see, so all I'm crying for right now is that my Ewe people, the Volta region, need to be developed. And before this Volta region to be developed, we need to change these NDC MPs because they are not working. Aside a black qua, there's nobody who do anything in the Volta region. They don't do anything. The Anglo land is still like that for so many years. Nothing is happening. Nothing, because they know say they will vote for them. Change them and see if whether there won't be any improvement in the Anglo land. I think you should change them, vote for MPP candidates and see if there won't be any changes in the Anglo land. Go and see Hohwe today. Hohwe, NDC have ruled over there over 30 years. But still, there's nothing. But Peter Mewu, use just 8 years. Hey, this man has done more than what people use 30 years and they couldn't even do anything. Just 8 years. Go and see her today as we are talking. Go and see Peter Mewu. You see, we the West, the problem we have is that if NDC is in power, we think we don't have problem. But we only have problem when NPP comes to power, which is very, very wrong. Which is very, very wrong. We, the West, too need to see improvement. See, the Anglo needs improvement, and we need vibrant and energetic candidates to vote for. These are the MPP MPs. I say you should give them the chance and see if whether you will not see infrastructure development in Anglo land. I'm telling you this thing. Try. Just give it the benefit of the doubt. Say, okay, you have been voting for these NDC MPs for so many years and there's nothing. The Anglo land is still like that. Just try different candidates. Try an MPP candidate and see if there won't be changes. This is what I'm saying. This is just my small pleading. I'm pleading to you people. Just try them. There's nothing we will not lose anything because you have been voting for people who does not do anything, and we still don't lose anything. Just try this MPP MPs for the Anglo land there. The Ketak, the Ketu Anglo South, Ketu South, and yo. So this is my elder brother, and he's talking about how bad Volta is. Me, my concern is the Anglo land, the Anglo land. That is my concern. You blow me, me body, me nabe change Nava Anglo drama because ever since they gave back to me in Anglo land, the way the Anglo town is Jim Dia Nama Kolema Vaserba till now it be the same way now. Because why? Because we keep on voting for NDC MPs who are doing nothing for us, but we keep on voting for them because we claim say they are on the ticket of NDC. Let's change them. This year, let's change them. We throw me vote na MPP to na me akpobari. Change ya kel hohwe to bo peki road plus no de me rekpogele fie ha.
Mantemu for bu afu pa. Oh, it feel last week
by NDC General Secretary.
I say last week. You know ba ye no a na jonkuma woniti. Yentimi anka jena no poku ajiman. Na you know ne appointment to say nomination ho asem kese. But ni woman say Godon NDC being led by John Dramani Mahama a Volta region for any ase. Na oma gutogbu afeden so any ase. Oma gutogbu afeden any ase pa. Because you see over the years NDC for a very very loyal and faithful to NDC amanyoku no. Made the graph betro, made name betro na wahu NDC voting party of Volta region. Na saying NDC for any Volta region for any abom hoso. To be say voting party na Volta region no. Asha say yeden esini chirase. 6 March eduye when me say one of the constituencies of Volta region ho. Omo the NDC MPP flag ko ho. Emma no mo bo Jomama entutu say Jomama e dada for.
Yeah, me who so much match no.
Yes. Enti enne Volta region one that dwene ho say on 6 March yeah the vote MPP flag be call Volta region parade grounds near kwakoye. Because of say Volta region for who say NDC for dada for. Go on. NDC for be perani meet. Asat mi nimu ase na no graph no guso horoma anka de betimi the Volta region atoso now the central region atoso. At every point in time NDC were a candidate from the central region on ticket from 1992.
Yeah.
Na central region e behave no. Central region entimi enye region betimi aka say a loyal to NDC. But betimi aka say Volta region a loyal to NDC. Enti abre ajomama ebe kon tetemi na mo ye say all 4B enfi Volta region enti edin e ba ni honorable do ajaho na ona first edin e ba Sylvester Tete because oni e Volta Mensa Sylvester Mensa oni e Volta ne enkran enti na ko bebo apa na mo say Sylvester Mensa eswa oye fairly young enti mbema no advantage over others enti omo po obi a joma ma wi a oni ne be den